Hi, it's Alyssa. I just dyed my hair again because the pink that I had in it washed out after one wash. You can see my scalp is a little bit teal green. I mixed Arctic Fox, Aquamarine, and Phantom Green together. I already primed my face using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose Primer Serum. I'm gonna go in with the highlight and contour palette from Mehron. Looks like this. I'm gonna use it as my foundation because I ran out of my Tarte Found Sealer. So I'm just gonna put a light base on using this Soft Accent Real Techniques brush. It's number 421. And I'm going in with this shade. And I'm just going to cover up any imperfections. I'm not gonna put anything on my eyelid. I'm just going to cover under my eyes. I'm making sure I'm getting it into my pores so it doesn't just sit on top, making my pores visible. So I'm pressing it into my face. After that, I'm gonna take this e.l.f. Blending brush with that same shade, just so that I have the same coverage everywhere. Now I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Powder. Here's the lid. I'm going to pour it into the lid like usual. I always put too much. I only need a little bit. So I will get a giant fluffy blending brush. This is number 300 Real Techniques. And then I'm just going to pat it with my face, even my eyelids. So I'm gonna take my extremely old NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette that I have used forever, but I refill the pans every now and then. I haven't refilled these, which I've used the most. So I'm gonna go in with this dark shade. It's kind of semi-shimmery. So I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. It's an angled brush, and I always use this for my contour. Blush, I'm going to go in with an eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this color in this e.l.f. palette, which is the Rose Gold Sunset palette. I'm going to use this tapered brush, which is a Real Techniques contour brush. It's pretty fluffy, so I can pinch it like so to get into the pan, and then putting it on the apple of my cheek, up to my eyes, on both sides. And I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Setting Spray. I always put it on the tip of my nose and on the bridge of my nose because it makes my nose look a little bit smaller, in my opinion. Maybe it's just in my head. And then I put some on the top of my forehead and on my cupid's bow and my chinny chin chin. I did make a video on 3 ways I do my eyebrows, so I'm just going to skip forward. So next I'm going to take my Tarte Dozabeauty Shape Tape Eye Primer, and then I'm going to take my finger to blend it out. I'm going to put a little bit on my bottom lid too. use the e.l.f. Matte for Matte Summer Breeze palette. And I'm just going to use my finger to apply the pigment to my eye. I'm going to go in with this gray color in the middle and apply that to the outer part of my eyelid. And with this dusty rose next to the gray, I'm going to put that on the inner corner. Then I'm going to go in with a darker brown that's next to the black, and I'm going to take that and put it in the crease. I'm going to take a really fluffy blending brush. This is the Real Techniques 402. I'm going to use it to blend the crease. And I'm going to put all of the same colors that are on my upper lid on the bottom lid as well, in the same pattern. Next, I'm going in with my NYX matte liquid liner. I'm going to go in with my Melt All Day Eyeliner Ultra Matte Eyeliner pencil and tightline my eyes, which is underneath the upper eyelashes. So of course I'm gonna go in with my Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. This is ColourPop, but it is in the color Mama. It's an orangey peach color. If you really liked this look, go ahead and give it a like. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I have a new website/blog. It's dozabeauty.org. You can follow me on social media at Dozabeauty on Instagram.